Good. Yeah. What brings you in today?
I have severe pain all over my body, and I constantly hurt every day, all the time.
Okay. Are there any areas that are worse than others?
My back and neck.
More upper back and neck?
Yes.
And what do you attribute that to? Any specific trigger, cause, accident, injury?
I would just say a course of injuries over an extended period of time.
The course of time. You had a situation when you were much younger where you had sibling land hard on you, right?
Yeah, jumped on my neck.
And so maybe that was a catalyst for the pain that you're experiencing. And then you also had 3 kids as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so what are they? You had epidurals, right? And so, and tell me about that as far as the back is concerned.
So now, after having those 3 epidurals, my back feels numb in the lower part and doesn't feel like it has hardly any movement.
Okay.
Very stiff.
Yeah. And so would you say in general, with regards to both neck and back, what are your biggest limitations?
Definitely mobility and desire to do anything throughout the day, big or small, just in so much pain, you just want to lay in bed not doing
So you know, it's been a while since you've had relief, right? Mm-hmm. So you're concerned about maybe having some relief, right? Because you don't, it's been a while, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Absolutely.
That makes sense. So how did you learn about our office here?
My husband researched your clinic and it has 5 stars out of almost 200 reviews and not a single bad review. So definitely wanted to come try.
That's awesome. And he's been watching some of these videos, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Awesome. And you've also had regular chiropractic, right? Mm-hmm. Pretty limited, like maybe a handful of visits over the course of 3 months.
Yes.
Any sustained relief with that?
Not at all.
Pretty minimal.
Yeah. Not a
okay. Well, this one is a little bit different, of course. And so I kind of walked you through the setup and just kind of remind you of some things here. I think we're good to go. You don't have any gum or anything in your mouth, right? Okay. All right. Perfect. Well, let's do it to it. Okay. Right. Let's go on your back, face up with your head right over the towel there. That should be snug. It shouldn't be excessively tight around the neck. Okay, those are coming up here. Let's slide down this way. All right. Just want to make sure you don't just slide through there. Yeah, are you okay if he watches?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He's been waiting all day for it.
All right. He's been anticipating this longer than you have. Yes. So I'm actually going to have you over here.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, unless you want to do the adjustment. Maybe.
I trust you.
Make sure you're fully isolated in there and you're not going to slide out and bar your hands there. Okay. Feel like you're kind of catching there?
Yeah.
That's good, right? That's what I want. I don't want you sliding through there. Yeah. So the adjustment itself is going to be pretty quick. Okay. I just need you to maintain a nice pattern of breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay. Keep your arms relaxed right there. You can put them on your stomach as well. That feels okay right there.
It's hard for me to stay relaxed.
No, you're good. I'm going to just ask that you kind of breathe into your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Okay, big breath in. All the way out. Good. All right. Keep breathing. Keep breathing through that. That happened pretty fast. You best relax your legs here. It's over. Okay. Keep breathing. It kind of takes your breath away a little bit, doesn't it? A little bit? You're good. You can move. All right. So where did you feel that? I know it happened
every single piece of my back all at once. Oh my god, that's so weird.
It happened pretty quick, but you definitely felt some movement in there.
Yes.
Oh yeah, all the way up and down.
Yes, like every piece of my spine. It's so weird.
A lot different than anything in kind of the standard chiropractic. So that's a good start. Are you feeling any unusual like pains, pinches, twinges?
I just feel kind of slightly lightheaded and a little jittery in my jaw, like in my face. But
nothing
bad at all. No.
And when we get you in those pins, folks have a tendency to be a little bit anxious or whatever. But have you just get up and walk around a little bit?
Okay.
Kind of walk around the table.
Relax.
I don't know if I can. Yeah, definitely.
Lighter, huh?
Yeah.
So we're going to finish up this first session right next door, and then we'll have you guys take a break. All right. Haley's back for round number 2. How did things seem to go after the first adjustment?
I definitely feel like I can take a full breath of air in and not feel like pain in my back. Like everything just feels lighter, like everything flows nicely, like it's just
more
nice.
Loose, yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe a period of adaptation, since you haven't felt this way for a long time.
Yeah.
Now, you're obviously a pretty petite person. Mm-hmm. Like you felt comfortable with every part of the process. You didn't feel like it was an excessive amount of pulling that happened.
No, I was really scared coming in here. Like I almost did not want to walk through the doors, but like I'm so glad I did. It's just so worth it.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad to hear that. So we reassessed her. We found a couple areas that are still a little bit bound up. And so I think if we do one more procedure, then that'll help kind of get everything cleared out for today. Okay. Sound good? All right, let's do it too. I'll have you go on your back. And you felt a good amount of movement after that first one, right?
Oh my goodness, yes.
All the way down?
Yes. Yeah. At first I was a little tight and shocked, but definitely.
Yeah, you didn't want to move really.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was scared.
Frozen.
Yeah.
Frozen to the table. We'll slide down this way.
More.
That's good. So this is definitely safe for somebody that's even, just below, you said 100 pounds, right?
Mm-hmm. And 3 epidurals in.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we go all the way in here. You are on our lowest setting for sure. We still want to be able to isolate the full spine, right? We don't want you sliding through there. Okay, just kind of relax here. Borrow your hands. We'll just take out slack here. That feel okay in the shoulders?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. You just focus on good breathing. Just want to make sure that's not excessively tight there. Feel good?
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
Good. We still got movement there. You still felt a lot of movement?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Now, did you feel that anywhere different this time? Maybe I should let you just catch your breath.
All like up in my neck up here. That's what it's been feeling like. It's been needing like this whole time. Makes me want to like cry.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh
a
my
lot of
goodness.
people get emotional in here in this room. Yeah.
Feels like
Getting some blood flow finally back into the face and the head there.
I definitely don't know how I'm gonna sit up. Oh my goodness. Just because I don't know, I've never felt relief up there for so long. That's so crazy.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you found us and you didn't have to come too far, right?
No?
Yeah, just about an hour away.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, that's good. You still stuck to the table?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peel you up?
Yeah.
It's good.